will be at your own risk area, not in sight from the tower. Cleared out of the Class Bravo airspace on a TAPS 1 arrival.
Off the folder, please. 21013, runway 22 left, line of wait. Water 24602, if I didn't tell you, your sequence will be behind the Eagle on November.
Contact ground point 9. Okay, point 9, after giving way to the MD-80, we will cross 28 right at Gulf South, United States. 1261, that's 737 will be with you at Gulf South.
Copy that.